Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to review one of the best locker accessories you can get your hands on, the LockerMate Adjust a Shelf Locker Shelf. If you're looking for a way to maximize your locker space and stay organized, this is the product you need. This product is a game changer for anyone dealing with the typical chaos of locker storage. Whether you're at school or in the office, the LockerMate Adjust a Shelf provides a simple solution to create more room in your locker. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use and doesn't require any complicated installation. The Adjust a Shelf is made from durable plastic, designed to extend and fit any standard locker between 12 to 15 inches wide. The shelf is fully adjustable, allowing you to customize the height to your needs, making it perfect for different sized items, from books and folders to snacks and accessories. Whether you're packing for school or organizing your office space, this adjustable shelf ensures everything fits neatly and efficiently. Installing the LockerMate Adjust a Shelf couldn't be simpler. In just a minute, you can have your locker organized without the need for any tools or permanent changes. You just slide the shelf into place and adjust it to the desired height. It's a quick, no-fuss way to add extra storage without taking up too much space. If you're someone who likes to have control over your storage, this product lets you do just that. You can position the shelf at any height, giving you flexibility for taller items at the bottom or smaller essentials at the top. It creates additional room in your locker, which is always a bonus when space is limited. The sleek, black design of the shelf fits in with most locker interiors, and it's made to last, even with daily use. It's not just about functionality, the shelf looks good while doing its job. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to organize your locker, the LockerMate Adjust a Shelf Locker Shelf is an excellent choice. It's the best locker shelf magnetic solution out there, designed to fit your locker perfectly, offering both versatility and durability. Say goodbye to the clutter and hello to a more organized space. That's it for today's review. If you want more reviews on products that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique.